the value of x, where x is an element of real number. 8 raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x is equal to 130. In solving this question, before we start solving this question, I will also want you to subscribe to this channel and follow our page, and also share this video to necessary area that you believe they will surely need the video. So let's start. 8 raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power 3 also raised to power x plus 2 raised to power x is equal to 130. With the rules of powers of index, by power of index, you know that a raised to power m or raised to power n can still be written as a raised to power n or raised to power m. So with the help of power of index, we can able to solve some problems. So therefore, 2 raised to power 3 or raised to power x can be written as 2 raised to power x or raised to power 3 plus 2 raised to power x is equal to 130. Let's try to do something that be meaningful. Let's represent 2 raised to power x by m. So if you represent 2 raised to power x by m, you now say that m raised to power 3 plus m is equal to 130. So there are some rules. It has now formed a third degree equation. There are some rules that come us in third degree equation. Let me write it out for you to know what I'm saying. Third degree. Third degree. So in third degree questions, so let's form it better for we to know what we are saying. Plus m minus 130 is equal to 0. How do we solve third degree question? What you do is this. You will just find a number that can change this m to, when you add it, you also get the same value as m, but can also be easy for factorization. So that is the way, the way of solving third degree equation is quite different from the way of solving second degree equation. So therefore, let's find a number. When you're able to see, you see that m raised to power 3 minus 25m plus 26m minus 130 is equal to 0. So now, this, by the time you had minus 25m plus 26m, it will give us one value of m. And you can also use it as a factorization. So therefore, let's factorize this. From the first line, we divide this like this. M cubed minus 25m plus you divide 26m minus 130 is equal to 0. Therefore, from the first part, m is common, remain m squared minus 25. 26 is also common here, plus 26, it remain m minus 5. This is the difference in third degree equation. Now, if you're able to study this, let's try to expand this by second degree equation. We have m minus 5. We have m plus 5 plus 26 onto m minus 5 is equal to 0. What I observe, you can also observe it, that minus 5 is common. Let's bring it out. M minus 5. Let's open a big bracket. Still remain m. M plus 5 plus 26 is equal to 0. Therefore, for two values to multiply and to give us 0, it means m minus 5 is equal to 0, or m bracket m plus 5
You have a WhatsApp message from WhatsApp.
Plus 26 is equal to 0. So therefore, m is equal to 5. Or, let's expand this. M squared plus 5m plus 26 is equal to 0. So now, this one has also formed a quadratic equation. So since it has formed a quadratic equation, let's start solving. You said, but if you're able to see it clearly that let's put A is equal to 1, B is equal to 5, and C is equal to 26. Now, if it's equal to 26, let's apply the formula to say m is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let's now substitute the value to have m is equal to, what is our b? Minus 5 plus or minus square root of, our b is 5. We have 5 square minus 4ab, 4a. What is the value of a? 1. 4ab, 4ac. So that is 4ac 26 divided by 2a. That is 2 of 1. So the value of m will now give us minus 5 plus or minus, you try to apply 25 minus, by the time you multiply 4 and 26, it will give us 104 over 2. So m is equal to, sorry, it is not a minus b, yes. So good, yeah, minus 5. So we still continue. Sorry, undo. So you now put minus, so minus 5 plus or minus square root of, so 25 minus 104 will give us minus 79 whole over 2. But from the beginning of the question, there is one thing measured. It said x is an element of real number. By the time you're able to see this value is a complex value. A complex value. So since a complex value, meaning that our m is equal to 5. And if our m is equal to 5, at the same time, our m is equal to 2 raised to power x. So whereby 2 raised to power x is equal to 5. So this is what we are going to. So we don't need the value of the complex value. So 2 raised to power x is equal to 5. Let's apply logarithm to the both sides. Let's have log 2 raised to power x is equal to log 5. There is a law of logarithm that says log p raised to power x base a can be written is equal to x log p base a. So if this one is real, therefore x log 2 is equal to log 5. So let's divide both sides by log 2. We have, you divide the both sides by log 2, by log 2. So this we cancel this. The value of x, by the time you find the logarithm of log 5 divided by log 2, the value will be in approximating form. To not give you the direct form, to give you an approximation form, which is 2.3. So this is the value of x. X is approximately value as 2.3. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel.